two boats, A and B, start moving from the same point B. So I have point P, this is where they come from, and then they start heading out on their respective paths. This is A, this is B. Boat A moves in a straight line at 20 kilometers per hour. And boat B moves in a straight line at 32 kilometers per hour. The angle between their paths is 70 degrees. Find the distance between the boats after 2.5 hours. Distance between the boats is going to be whatever line I end up drawing here connecting the two. However, I do have to figure out the length of each path here because all they give me is the rate and the time. So since I have the rate and the time, I'm going to figure out how far boat A traveled. So that's going to be 20 kilometers in 1 hour, or per 1 hour, if you want to think about it like that. How many kilometers can this boat go in 2.5 hours? So then you just cross multiply and you get 50 kilometers. So I'm going to put that on, sorry, the picture, 50 kilometers. And then I'm going to do the same thing for boat B. So he can go 32 kilometers in 1 hour. How many kilometers can he go in 2.5 hours? You can also just multiply it by 2.5, but kids don't always see that, so we're setting it up as a proportion just in case you need some help there. So this will be 80 kilometers. Okay, so let's figure out the distance between the two boats. I'm going to drop this or connect these two little points here, and now I have two sides and I have the angle across from an unknown side. That means I'm going to be using law of cosines to figure out the third side. So I've got AB squared is equal to all that stuff. So I'm going to make sure I'm in degrees and then type it in. And then I'm going to square root that. And I get 78.5 kilometers.